Hi, and welcome to another episode of Lex and Candace Dupas Family Adventures. So we're on our way to a restaurant for the very first time. It's here in the Boat Club, and we'll show you a bit later. So before, medyo iba yung theme ngayon, parang iba na rin. But we're here for Sanders 5th month. Hi, baby! So pagsulod mo sa Boat Club, syempre may mga boats nga ari diri sa ilang nga mga members. And may car wash galit di oh. Yeah, it's my first time here. And we're going to the restaurant. Ari lang di siya sa Ingod. So, ari siya oh. Ari siya. Still closed a few minutes for it. Open. Sabya. Sabya Hanay, meaning to throw water. Sabya. There. Okay. We have an 11 a.m.
They have an
reservation for our baby Al 5th month. Yes.
Oh, you can take pictures na lang.
You make that straighter.
Open. Let's go, guys. 11 o'clock ka open dire sa Sabya. Morning. 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 Oh, morning. Nice place. So may mga private areas na kung gusto nyo damo ka mo. Tapos for only a few people may ari dire. So they were able to maximize, no? Ang place nila. Siyempre yung view mo kung ari ka dire, makita mo gid ang dagat. Look, guys. Is it nice? Let's see. Yeah. Oh. This is too big for us. Okay, so we're here.
Kasi mainit ha.
It's the VIP room. Good for 8 people ang preserve ni Candace, of course. Nice, no? Tapos may ari nga 4-seater. We'll see ha. I'll just move this, guys, para sa inyo. Oh, that's the view. Iloilo River. Okay. So, sleepy na ang baby boy. There's the view from the VIP room. You like it, Lexi? Yeah, there. Oh, before we rode that, we rode a speedboat going around Iloilo River.
I don't remember that.
Yeah, I think you were small. It was only Ate and Kuya who joined us.
I think I was big.
Still watching Lex and Candace Dupas Family Adventures.
And food, may okoy. And then, ari na ang inasal.
Tig-isa tayo lahat.
Yes. Wow.
Share lang.
Hi. Hello. There. Okay. So, kainan time na, guys.
May kulang pa eh.
Pumunta kami dito, close pa.
Ginagawa pa.
Okay, so we'll eat, guys, and we'll be telling you how the food is here in Sabya. Like it? The food? How's the food, wifey?
Good.
So good, guys.
Si Lex mamaya alis na siya.
Sarap ng ukoy, no?
Oo.
Namet. Very good. The chicken is also good. Yeah. Yung pricing dire daw. Siyempre. Pero you have a nice place.
Medyo elevated lang konti para sa juice.
Good. Chicken, kay Joe's Chicken na to na digali. That's what they serve here in Sabya. Or means to throw water. And then may rice, and then may barbecue's coming for Lexi. Atong pampano, guys.
Gusto si Lex
So good also, guys. Sarap. Namit.
shakes.
So what do you think about the food here? Do you like it? Lexi?
I will do it.
But do you like the food here? Okay. So, ubos na ubos namin ang pagkain dito. Dessert na kami, but this one isn't from here. 5th month cake of baby Alexander. So, we brought you to another new go-to place here in the city of Iloilo. Just look for the Boat Club. Tapos, pagpasok mo sa may Progreso, Barangay Progreso siya. Dire sa, so that's sa Iloilo. Tapos pagsunod ninyo, pangitaon nyo lang ang Sabya. It opens 11 in the morning. So if you wanna get the VIP rooms, wala namang additional charge, walang minimum. Kailangan lang magpa-reserve mo agad, like what we did. So I hope you enjoy our gastronomic fun family adventure here in the city of Iloilo, here in Sabya Kitchen sa The Boat Club. Thanks for watching, and please join us again next time for our next like, comment, and
Subscribe!